My name is Quinten.
My name is Leonie.
My name is Eline Hoshpe.
My name is Cynthia.
My name is Faye.
Hello, my name is Mathilde.
Hi, I'm Ren.
I work in the finance administration, and my goal is to look at the process optimization to see if we can make some processes more efficient, if there are like some openness to digitalization and so on.
There are things that I completely went into the project without knowing, but that I'm so well at right now.
In Mozambique, if you're working on climate, you are working on climate whilst there are climate disasters happening at the same time. So these are really factors that you can better understand once you're in it and once you have these direct contacts.
I'm working with young agripreneurs, trying to make them scale up their businesses, finding investors for them on the long term, and also making agriculture more attractive for youth, for them to create employment in this field, but also create value for the community.
Gender is something that's very culturally defined, and refugee inclusion is also like vastly different in Belgium than it is in Uganda. So it was really interesting for me to challenge my own perspectives and what I thought I knew.
I was able to take part in a capitalization project to assess the status of women empowerment in the livestock sector.
We are contributing to reforestation and also biodiversity enhancement in Rwanda.